hello. Now let's do Locomotion, and there are 6 chords involved in it. So the first chord is C, the next chord is A minor, the next chord is F, next chord D minor, he, then D. Ooh, nice, major, right? Major sounding, definitely. And then G. Perfect. All right. So the strum we're going to do here is just going to be what you call straight. So it's just going to be down, 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 down. 4 downs for each measure. So if I'm looking at the first measure here, I see C is my first chord, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, or down, 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 or C, 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 C. Perfect. So let's try the first line together, just strumming it. So it starts on C, A minor, C, A minor. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. All right. So we're taking it really slow tempo at first, and we're going to sing a little bit with it, because that's the idea here, is we're going to sing and play. And we're simplifying the strum to make it easier to sing. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody's doing a modern brand new dance now. C, come on, baby. A minor to the locomotion. Back to C. Know that you will like it if you A minor a chance now. C, come on, baby. A minor to the locomotion. Now F. Oh, baby sister, can D minor with ease. F, easier than learning your. And now we go to D, A, B, C's. Yes. Now C, come on, and G, the locomotion with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. From the top. And a little bit more singing this time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody's doing a brand new dance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. I know that you will like it if you give it a chance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. Now we go to F. Little baby sister can D minor with ease. F, it's easier than learn D or A, B, C's. There it is. C, come on, G, do the locomotion with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2. You know what to do. Everybody's doing a brand new dance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. I know that you will like it if you give it a chance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. Now go to F. My little baby sister can D minor with ease. Back to F. It's easier than D. You're learning your A, B, C's. Nice. Now C. Come on, and do the locomotion with me. 2, 3, 4, and on C. Nice. All right. Well, let's try it. Let's up the ante. We're going to switch it up, and now we're going to do down and up. Haha. And it'll go. If you want to think about how to count it, it would go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But really, all we need to know is every time you go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 4 times, right? You have one measure. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That is one measure. So if I was playing C, that first measure, it would sound like. And if we're doing that first line, where it goes C, A minor, it would go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor, down, up, down, up, back to C, then to A minor. All right, so let's try it together, and we'll call it out a little bit more, and we'll do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 4, right? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, this A minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor, down, up, down, up, down, C, down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, down, up, A minor, down, up, down, up. Now F, down, up, down, up, down, up, D minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, F, down, up, down, up, down, up, D. Now C, come on, G, do the locomotion with C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So now let's try it with a little bit more singing. A 1, a 2, you know what to do. Everybody's doing a brand new dance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. I know that you will like it if you give it a chance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. It's F you learn in your D minor, B, C's. Back to F. Can D with ease. There it is, C. Come on, and G. Locomotion with C. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Nice. All right, let's try it one more time. 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody's doing a brand new dance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. I know that you will like it if you give it a chance now. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. F, my little baby sister can D minor with ease. Back to F, it's easier than learning your D, A, B, C's. Now go to C, come on, and G, do the locomotion with me. Do, and on C. Nice. Well, I really hope that helped start to bridge the gap between playing and singing, and I hope you have an awesome day. Peace out.